Hi everyone, I'm Andy here. Welcome back, and this is the second draw. And yeah, because this is just 3 entries, so I show you. And there we have 3 persons to share their project on the Facebook and also do the video response. So this is the option 2, the challenge. So yeah, the 3 persons, and the first one is Jane. She has 3 tickets entries. She shared the project on her Facebook. And this is Sharina. She has 3 or 4 project shares. So yeah, she is because like I mentioned, I didn't list the rules in the challenge that have the limit project shares, limit entries, so that Sharina, she make 3 different, and she's so addicted. She just can't stop to make her camera, and so yeah, I just count all her entry and all the project that she share on Facebook page. So she get all these entries here. 6, 9, 9, 12. Okay, and this Harrison, she has 1 project share, so she has 3 entries here. So yeah, with this, okay, all this is here. And I have to mention, this is only have 1 prize. And my handmade, I show you before, my handmade goodies box and the sewing machine loaded pocket kit. So for the winner, we get this kit. Okay, so let us draw out the winner, see who is the lucky winner for this challenge. And I love all the way how they create their camera. And Jane, she make a tea set, miniature tea set kit, the theme. And Sharina, she make 3 different style of the camera. And Alison also have her own style, and I just love to see it. And so yeah, now let us pick the lucky winner for the challenge. And yeah, congratulations to you, Sharina. You are the lucky winner for this challenge, and I'm so happy for you. And thanks for taking your time. Yeah, thanks to all the ladies for taking your time to participate into this challenge. And I appreciate each one. And thanks again. And please stay tuned for the final draw for the big prize, for the 6 entry draws. Yeah, for those who send me the camera. And thanks again for everyone. And congratulations to you again, Sharina. And bye bye.